In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PDF file to an email on ActiveCampaign. We're going to keep this process simple and clear, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to upload your PDF, grab the link, and add it to your email so your subscribers can download it with a single click. First, log into your ActiveCampaign account and look over to the left-hand side of your screen. In the main navigation menu, find and click on Content. This is where all of your uploaded files, like images and documents, are stored and managed. Once you're in the content area, look for the option to upload a file. Click Upload, and your computer's file browser will open. Here, navigate to the PDF you want to share in your email. This might be a lead magnet, a checklist, a guide, or any document you'd like your audience to download. Select the PDF and confirm the upload. Give it a moment to finish. You should then see your PDF appear in the list of files. Next, you need the direct link to that PDF so you can add it to your email. Find your newly uploaded file, then look for a small gear or settings icon next to it. Click that gear icon, and from the options that appear, select Get URL. ActiveCampaign will generate a unique link for your PDF. Copy this URL and keep it handy. This is what your subscribers will click on to open or download the file. Now it's time to place this link inside your email campaign. Go back to the left-hand menu and click Campaigns. Open the specific email campaign where you want to include the PDF. This will take you into the email designer. Inside the designer, decide how you'd like people to access your PDF. You can either turn a piece of text into a link or use a button. If you want to link text, click into your email content and highlight the word or phrase you want, such as download the PDF or get your guide here. If you prefer a button, click on the button element in your email to select it. With your text highlighted or your button selected, look for the link icon in the editing toolbar. Click the link icon and a field will appear where you can paste your URL. Paste the PDF link you copied earlier into this field, then confirm by clicking Save. That's it. Your email now includes a clickable link that will open your PDF for your subscribers.